In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get HubSpot CRM 2025, step by step. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot CRM. Click the official result from HubSpot.com, and on the landing page, look for the Get Started free button. That takes you straight into account creation so you can begin without any upfront cost. Now, sign up for a free account. You can continue with Google for a quick setup, which authenticates with your Google profile and speeds up the process, or you can create an account using your email. If you choose email, enter your email address, a strong password, and your company name. Keep your login details secure and consistent with your team's policies. Either route gets you into the same free CRM workspace. Next, HubSpot will ask a few setup questions about your business. You'll see prompts about your business type, your team size, and the goals you care most about, like sales or marketing. Choose the options that match how you operate. These inputs help HubSpot tailor your starting dashboard, recommended features, and sample views so you don't have to build everything from scratch. You'll then add your basic business information. Provide your business name, your website if you have one, and your industry. If you don't have a website yet, that field can be completed later. Accurate details here improve default settings and reporting labels across your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the CRM dashboard. You'll see the core areas you'll use every day: contacts for your people, companies for the organizations you work with, deals for your sales pipeline, and tasks for your follow-ups. New accounts may look empty at first. That's expected. As you add data, your views and reports will come to life. Before you dive into outreach, complete a basic setup. Start by adding contacts manually to test the flow, or import a CSV if you're moving a list from a spreadsheet or another system. Clean headers and consistent formatting make the import smoother. Next, create custom properties to capture what matters most to you, such as lead type, service interest, or budget. Use clear names and the right field types so your team inputs data the same way every time. Then set up your pipeline by creating deal stages that reflect your process. For example, new lead, contacted, and closed. Keep it simple to start. You can refine stages as your process evolves. Finally, connect your email so messages log automatically. Go to Settings, choose Email Integration, and connect your provider, such as Gmail or Outlook. Once connected, relevant emails sync to the correct records, and you can send directly from the CRM. That's it. Your HubSpot CRM is ready to use.